In this video, we will demonstrate how to create homework in beecrowd Academic. Homework is used in practical tasks for students and can be applied synchronously or asynchronously, integrated or not with your institution's LMS, Learning Management System, depending on the beecrowd Academic usage plan. To create a homework, it is necessary to first have a discipline created, whose creation and maintenance process has already been explained in previous videos. The beecrowd Academic offers two types of homework: common homework, which uses coding challenges from beecrowd's public repository. Currently, there are more than 2,500 ready challenges available free of charge for professors to use. Customized homework, exclusively for the use of original problems created by the institution's professors. The process of creating and managing homework is practically the same for both types. The only difference is the type of problem that can be used in each. By mastering the creation and management of one type of homework, you will automatically master the other. Once inside a discipline, to create a list, click on the New Homework or New Custom button, depending on the desired homework type. The creation screen will open, and you should fill in the following information. Homework title, a short name that identifies the list. Description, free text to detail the objective of the homework and record internal control information, such as academic period or class. Start and deadline, define the period during which the homework will be available for students to complete their activities. The deadlines include date and time. The minimum acceptable duration is 30 minutes. Before the start of the period, students will be able to see the homework name but will not have access to the content. Once the period has started, it will no longer be possible to change the start date, time. The end date can be changed, moved forward, or extended while the list is still active. After the deadline, students will still be able to view their submissions and results, but they will not be able to submit new responses. Important: for educational institutions using the paid institutional corporate plan, integrated with the LMS, it is essential that the start and end dates of the homework assignments in beecrowd Academic are aligned with the activity dates in the LMS. Some LMS systems do not allow automatic synchronization of dates with external platforms. If the dates are not properly aligned, for example, a student may be able to perform activities on beecrowd, but the LMS may reject the receipt of grades if the list deadline has already passed in the LMS, but is still active on beecrowd. Programming languages. The professor defines which languages students can use to solve the problems on the list. One or more languages can be provided, including different versions of the same language, depending on the professor's choice. Exercises. In this field, the problems that will make up the list are defined. It is possible to include from 1 to 30 problems in the same list. There are two ways to select the problems. The first is by typing the problem ID or part of its title. For example, by typing 1030 and pressing Enter, the problem with that ID will be included. Alternatively, by typing salary with bonus and pressing Enter, the problem whose title contains this phrase will be included. After including them, you can click on the problem names to view their full statements. The second way to select problems is using the automated problem suggestion tool, accessible via the suggestion button. This button is only available on lists that use problems from the public repository, not for custom homework. Clicking on Suggestion will display a pop-up where you can set desired number of problems, categories, 1 or multiple, difficulty levels, 1 or multiple, and optionally, keywords, useful for creating thematic lists. Examples: Christmas, sports, travel, etc. After filling in the information and clicking Suggest, the platform will automatically indicate the most suitable problems according to the defined criteria. The suggested list will be displayed, and you can view the statements in any of the 3 available languages, Portuguese, English, or Spanish, by clicking on the actions icons. Select the desired problems and click Confirm to add them to the list. If the suggested problems do not meet the academic objective, simply click Suggest Again to generate new options. This process can be repeated as many times as necessary until the list is complete. Activate the anti-plagiarism mechanism. Activates the system based on the MOSS, Measure of Software Similarity, algorithm. The HORUS mechanism is already always active for all beecrowd activities. More details about anti-plagiarism systems can be seen in the specific video of this tutorial. Beatrice tips. Activate the automated feedback generated by beecrowd's artificial intelligence. More details about Beatrice and its operation are in another video of this tutorial. After setting all the configurations, click Create. The homework will be saved and displayed in the Homework section of the discipline. After creation, it is possible to adjust the homework settings using the icons in the Options section. Configure allows fine-tuning of the homework behavior. On this screen, you can rearrange the problems by clicking and dragging the two parallel bar icons. Set the sensitivity of the MOSS plagiarism detection. The default is 10, meaning that 10 similarities between codes are needed to characterize plagiarism. Lower values make the system more strict. Higher values make it more tolerant. It is recommended to keep the default value unless there is a specific need. Set the weight of each exercise, default 100, adjustable as the professor wishes. Select the judgment mode for beecrowd's automatic judge, ACC. Accepted means that the online judge expects the student's code to produce exactly the specified output, considering the exact use of uppercase or lowercase letters, spacing, punctuation, and line breaks, as specified in the problem statement. Example: if the prompt requires sum in uppercase and the student prints sum are in lowercase, the answer will be considered incorrect, even if the sum of the numbers is correct. ACC plus PE, presentation error, indicates that the judge accepts formatting errors, as long as the expected result is correct, which can be useful for beginner students. In the previous example where the expected output was sum in uppercase, the output sum hours in lowercase would be accepted as long as the sum of the numbers is correct, since case errors would be ignored. On this same screen, you can view the problem statement and remove exercises from the list. Remember to click Save after making changes. On the discipline screen, in Homework, you can make the list visible or hidden for students. Once an exercise list is created, students can view its title through beecrowd Talent even before the start date. To prevent this, it is possible to hide the list until a later time when the professor wants to make it visually available. Edit name, deadlines, languages, or problems. Permanently remove the homework. The progress icon opens a control panel to monitor students' performance in real time. The colored squares indicate the status of each problem. Gray, not attempted yet. Red, attempted but incorrect. Green, solved correctly. The numbers inside the squares show how many attempts the student made before getting it right. Clicking on them, you access all submissions, displayed in descending chronological order. The new comment option allows sending personalized feedback to students or using Beatrice to generate automatic comments, which can be reviewed before sending. Students view these comments on beecrowd Talent through the bell icon in the upper right corner of the screen. It is also possible to use the Generate Feedback Using AI button to create batch automatic comments for all students with incorrect submissions. This process runs in the background, allowing you to continue using the platform while the feedbacks are being generated. Students' results can be exported in CSV format for spreadsheets or automatically integrated into the LMS, in the case of institutions with an institutional corporate plan. HORUS plagiarism checks for similar codes submitted by other beecrowd users or found in public repositories. MOSS plagiarism, accessed via the fingerprint icons displayed below each problem ID. More details about both are available in the specific video about anti-plagiarism systems. The duplicate homework option allows reusing lists in other classes or subjects. Thus, it is possible to create homework assignments that are matrices and can be copied multiple times whenever necessary. When duplicating, the entire structure, settings, and homework are preserved, but students' submissions are not copied. New start and end deadlines must be provided. Before we conclude this video, it is worth noting that the functionalities presented in this video are also available for homework with customized problems. Thus, we conclude this video on creating and maintaining homework in beecrowd Academic. You learned how to create, configure, duplicate, and manage homework assignments, as well as monitor students' performance in real time. Don't forget to watch the other tutorial videos, all designed to make your experience with beecrowd Academic even more efficient and intuitive. See you next time.